Revit is a powerful building information modeling (BIM) software used by architects, engineers, and construction professionals worldwide. A strong understanding of its interface is essential for efficient project workflow. In this video, we will explore the Revit interface in detail, covering its key components, navigation tools, and essential functionalities to help you work with confidence. Let's begin. When you first launch Revit, you are greeted with the home screen. Here you can start a new project, open existing files, access recent projects and families, browse templates and sample files. The File tab in Revit serves as the central hub for managing projects, templates, settings, and collaboration tools. It provides essential options for file operations, exporting, and software customization. The Architecture tab in Revit provides essential tools for creating building elements. It allows users to model walls, doors, windows, floors, roofs, and ceilings, while also offering features for stairs, railings, ramps, and curtain walls. Additionally, it includes the Model in Place tool for custom designed elements, making it a core part of architectural modeling in Revit. The Structure tab in Revit provides tools for creating and managing structural elements like beams, columns, and foundations. It also allows for detailing reinforcements, defining grids, and coordinating with other disciplines for efficient design and analysis. The Steel tab in Revit offers tools for creating and managing steel components like beams, columns, and braces. It includes options for detailing connections, assigning materials, and coordinating with other disciplines in the structural design. The Precast tab in Revit provides tools for designing and placing precast concrete elements, including beams, panels, and slabs. It allows for efficient modeling, detailing, and coordination of precast components within the building structure. The Systems tab in Revit provides tools for designing and managing MEP elements like ducts, pipes, cable trays, and HVAC systems, ensuring efficient modeling, analysis, and coordination within the BIM workflow. The Insert tab in Revit allows you to import and link CAD files, images, PDFs, and Revit models, enabling seamless integration of external content into your project. The Annotate tab in Revit provides tools for adding dimensions, text, tags, and symbols to enhance documentation and clarity in your project. The Analyze tab offers tools for performing structural, energy, and lighting analysis, ensuring data-driven decision-making in the design process. The Massing and Site tab allows conceptual massing model and site elements like topography, building paths, and property lines. The Collaborate tab enables multi-user workflows by providing tools for work sharing, linking models, and managing cloud-based collaboration. The View tab helps manage project visualization by offering tools to create sections, elevations, schedules, and 3D views. The Manage tab provides project-wide settings, including materials, parameters, and worksets, ensuring efficient control over design data. The Add-ins tab allows users to integrate third-party plugins and extensions to enhance Revit's functionality and automation. The Modify tab contains essential tools for editing elements such as move, copy, align, trim, and extend, ensuring precise model adjustments. Any tabs between the Add-ins tab and the Modify tab are just the installed extensions. Now that I've explained the relevant tabs, let's discuss the status, view, and options bars. Located at the bottom of the drawing area, the View Control bar in Revit provides quick access to essential view customization tools. It enables users to adjust visual styles, scale, detail levels, and display settings, including shadows, section boxes, and crop regions. This tool enhances workflow efficiency by allowing seamless modifications to views without the need for extensive menu navigation. The selection tray in Revit located at the bottom right of the interface provides essential tools for managing selection options. It allows users to enable or disable element selection filters such as selecting links, underlays, or pinned elements, ensuring greater control and precision while working within the model. The Quick Access toolbar in Revit is a customizable interface element positioned at the top of the workspace, designed to streamline workflow efficiency. It provides immediate access to frequently used commands such as save, undo, redo, and essential modeling tools, allowing users to optimize their workspace for improved productivity. In Revit, the Properties panel serves as the central hub for managing the parameters of selected elements, views, and families. Typically located on the left side of the workspace, dynamically updates to display instance and type properties, allowing users to modify attributes such as dimensions, materials, and constraints. This panel enhances workflow efficiency by providing direct access to essential settings, reducing the need for extensive menu navigation. Its seamless integration into the Revit environment makes it an indispensable tool for maintaining precision and consistency throughout the design process. The project browser is a critical navigation tool that organizes and displays all project views, sheets, families, and other components in a structured manner. It allows users to efficiently manage and access various elements of the model, such as floor plans, sections, schedules, and 3D views. By offering a comprehensive overview of the project browser streamlines navigation and improves workflow efficiency, serving as an essential tool for organizing and documenting project components. The options bar displays settings that change based on the selected tool or elements. It helps users make quick and precise adjustments during the design process. The status bar displays key information about the current project state, such as coordinates, active view, and alerts, helping users stay informed while working. The drawing area in Revit is the primary workspace where users create, modify, and view the project model. It provides a visual representation of the design, allowing the direct interaction with the elements such as walls, floors, structural components, etc. This area enables efficient modeling and editing, offering tools to navigate and manage different views, ensuring a seamless design process. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into Revit's user interface. I hope this guide has made navigating through Revit a little easier for you. Don't forget that mastering the interface is a key step in designing smarter and building better. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you are looking for more tips, tutorials, and Revit insights, hit that subscribe button and join the Beam Design Studio. Stay tuned for more content to help you master BIM and Autodesk Revit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.